Welcome everybody, just an update on the new service bay that I've been decorating. I told all of you I'd bring over an automotive lift from the other shop. That's what I've done. This lift was tucked away in the corner for over 30 years. We've only used it a number of times because it was hard to get cars in and out on it. So here it is, and I'll tell a little bit about the story of bringing it over. It was quite an ordeal moving it from the other shop to this shop. I was quoted $1,500 to $2,000 from a lift company for them to disassemble it and move it over here. And I said, no, I'm just gonna do it myself. And that's exactly what I did. I actually, and I don't recommend this, but I actually moved this lift over, leaving it all together in one piece. I had to unbolt it at the other shop. As you can see, these are the new anchors and studs that I put in here. These are actually drilled into the concrete 5 inches deep. A friend of mine found these casters on Amazon and they're rated at 2,200 pounds a piece. So I had jacked up the lift at the other shop and I put 4 casters on each side of this lift. The lift weighs 1,700 pounds. I got some buddies to help me. We pushed it down the sidewalk from one shop to the other shop. And when we got into the driveway, the casters, several of them actually started to collapse and bend. So then we got a forklift over and just helped get it into the garage here. And the other night I anchored it down. So I'm going to spruce it up a little bit today with some spray paint. I'm going to run wiring, 220 circuit, and get it wired up, and we'll be in business soon. I power washed the entire lift when it was out in the parking lot beforehand. Got all the grease off of this thing. Just want to spruce it up a little bit. Looking good. Well, I've been at it most of the day, but I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. The lift has been painted. Turned out pretty nice. And I ran a 220 circuit to the lift motor. Goes right into that junction box there. The shop is now ready for projects. Thank you for watching.